Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to copy and paste on your laptop easily. So let's get started. First, you need to have some text, files, or an image that you want to copy. Now move your mouse cursor over the text or image and press and hold the left mouse button and drag your mouse to select it. After selecting the content, press the Control key and the C key together on your keyboard. This will copy the selected text or image. Now go to the place where you want to paste it. Move your cursor there and click once. Then press the Control key and V key together. And as you can see, the text is now pasted successfully. Now let me show you how to cut the text. Again, select the text or file you want to move. This time, press the Control key and the X key together. This will cut the selected content. And that's it. This is how you can copy, cut, and paste on your laptop easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.